Talesong 7. Little men. I'm Joe's boy now. Plum fields where I roam. Every day's a lesson. This school feels like home. Boys and girls, laughter bouncing off the walls. We run, we fight, we stumble in the halls. We garden, we build, and play by the stream. Learning from Joe, chasing a dream. Sometimes we argue, sometimes we mend. Teacher and friend, she guides till the end. Every scrapes and pranks teach a bit of heart. Mistakes are welcome, that's our art. We grow in freedom. Yet rules keep us straight. Small world of Plumfield, it feels like fate. Life's a mix of lessons and cheer. We face it together, year after year. I laugh, I learn, and I find my way. Little men and women, growing every day. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.